Hi everyone, I'm an AI avatar created by HitPaw Edimakor's new updated AI avatar feature. I can not only talk but also gesture. Sounds pretty fun, right? I'm going to share a super easy way to do it. Alright, let's dive in.
Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. First, you'll need one tool, HitPaw Edimakor. If you don't have it yet, I've left the download link in the description below. Step 2. AI Avatar. Once you open Edimakor, head to the AI Avatar section. Then select AI Avatar again. Next, type in the content you want the AI avatar to say. Then, click Gesture Avatar. Look, there are so many options here. Boys,
Enhance your communication and engagement.
girls,
with personalized avatar.
standings,
I can speak over 40 languages,
sitting,
offer 4 scenarios,
formal,
Offer 3 scenarios,
casual,
and customize my voice to your preferences.
Select the AI avatar you desire and choose the voice you find suitable. Then, click Generate. In just a few seconds, amazing, a virtual avatar pops up.
Hey there. Let me tell you, this living room is such a cozy spot. It's the perfect place to relax after a long day.
Step 3. Remove background. And if you want to change or remove its background, it's super easy. Just drag the avatar you just generate to the timeline. After using the auto removal function to remove the background, add the background you like. Let's make some adjustments.
Hey there. Let me tell you, this living room is such a cozy spot. It's the perfect place to relax after a long day.
It looks just like a real human recorded the video for you. And that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.